so hard to climb. Pretty narrow, only one car can go through. Maspalomas. So this way is Maspalomas. This is where we are heading, back to those sandy dunes. We are back in Maspalomas. We are back in here. Okay, so let's pull over somewhere and find some hotels. Before we go down, let's do that. Space here. So the sun is very, very nice. So I have booked a room in a hotel. So I'm right in front of this hotel. Blue Sea Blue or Blue Sea. No, Blue Sea. Blue Sea Ray Carlos Hotel. Okay, so it's very central. And the beach is just a walking distance from here. So let's go inside. Get the key. It's an apartment, it's not a room, which is great. You're gonna have more space in here. So for now it's only for one night. We might stay here for two, but we'll see. There's a supermarket right in front, lots of shops, cafes, quite a nice place. And the place looks all right. It's in the building, the construction looks pretty old, but it's a massive place. Right, okay, yeah, okay, they've got their own pool, lots of people in here. That's very nice. That looks all right. Okay, that's huge. I wasn't expecting that. I thought probably it's gonna be just a small one in a inside some, you know, deeper street somewhere, but that looks very nice. I like it. Oh wow. So let's see now if we can find a nice kind of apartment with a nice view. Where is the reception? Okay, the reception is up here. Huge, isn't it? Look. I like it. I mean, it's got some characters. Okay, let's go to floor number 5. Okay, we are on the very top floor. So it's 526. 526, which way is that? Oh, wow, look at the view. Oh, look at the ocean on the other side. Okay, so let's see. 526. 520. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Oh, now you get the feeling of the Canaries. 522. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Okay. So let's throw everything in here first. Throw everything in here. Whew. Release myself. Let's close this door. Oops, the key first. Okay. Okay. So we've got this massive room here, which is very nice. Got lots of characters. Then you have that's very nice big shower, toilet. You got the living room. You have got the kitchen. Oh wow! And the best of all. Oh god! Oh my goodness! I'm on the top floor. Look, you can see the pool down there, and the beach is just there. It's just a literally walking distance. We're gonna go a little later. Oh, that's very nice. Good choice. That was a very, very good choice. Very, very good choice. Ooh, let's go in. It's a massive, massive hotel. I mean, they've got these apartments. Look all the way down, and look at that. Look at the sea view from here, and those palm trees. And the beach is just there. I mean, it's literally where I'm gonna go now to, and the mountains in the backdrop. Very nice. So let's see. Oops, that's great. That's great. So we're going 0. Whew, just had a shower and come on. Okay, so let me give you a little tour of our pool. It was quite busy earlier on, but now everybody has gone back in their room because the sun has disappeared. Maybe tomorrow in the morning we might come and take a little dip in here. That looks really, really nice, isn't it? And they've got the bar right in the middle. Let's go to the bar. That's a little break, so you cross over and you come here. That's the bar. Of course, it's closed at this time, but yeah, it's very nice. Hola. So it's very nice here. Very nice. And you can see there, this is a massive, massive place. I mean, it goes on and on. 5 floors, and very nice. I like it. I mean, it's an old building, but still it's got loads of characters. Very nice. Okay, so let's go out. Going for a walk now, and pool a little later. Maybe we'll come and sit here later in the evening. And yeah, so that's what it is for now. We'll go out for a walk. We'll go down to the beach and walk on the sand dunes again, and see the sunset. That's what the plan is. You see, by the time we're gonna get there, we'll grab something, grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna sit there and see the sunset. Right. The good thing is you got a supermarket right in front, opposite, sorry. And let's see our bad boy. The bad boy is left here. Should be alright. So I've left everything on here, even the boots, my riding. So maybe later on, when I come back, take it inside. Take them inside. Okay, we got a bar next door. Loads of things going on here. There's a big shopping center here as well. Anyway, let's walk down. We're gonna go all the way down there, but that's where the beach is. So it's hardly 5 to 6 minutes of walk, I will say. If you are a good, you know, brisk walker, then yeah, about 5 to 6 minutes. And if you leisurely walk, maybe about 10 minutes or maybe less, 8, I would say. Oh, look at that bird, look at that bird, the way it's singing. And now we are here by the dunes. Oh, where we were in the morning. It's a place. Okay, of course we're not gonna stay here. We're gonna head to the dunes. Sure, this side, because I was on the other side, a little bit farther up. This one looks a bit more interesting. This one definitely looks more interesting. Oh, looks like people are sitting in the desert. Very nice, isn't it? Okay. Can we go down from here? That would be a little bit too risky. Okay, let's keep going down from here. Oh, it's such a nice feeling. It looks like you are so in Sahara Desert. Oh wow, look at these. It's like a little mountain. Very nice. Oh, but this part is much more kind of interesting than the one we went this morning. That was also, look at this huge crater. Looks like there was a volcano down here at some point. There's a huge crater. This one as well. People are sitting, waiting for the sun to set. So that would be a nice spot somewhere here or there, so where we can go and enjoy the sun set. I think still have got some time. So what time is it? 7:30. So I think the sun is gonna set at good at, I think, just before 9. So plenty of time to hang around. But it's an absolutely amazing place. Gives you such a different feeling of being here in the desert. I mean, the landscape is so different here, and the sea in the background. And the beautiful sun. this one looks really tall, so maybe we can climb from here and then, you know, spend some time, see the sunset. Oh, this place is breathtaking. This place is so can you see that? Beautiful place. Sun is just about to set, so I'm also heading back to the hotel. Maybe go for a dinner somewhere, and then yep, it's been an amazing day today, and I've decided to stay here for one more day tomorrow. So I'm sorry, tomorrow, and then tomorrow night as well. So pretty excited about it, and yeah, it's an amazing place. I need a little bit of break as well after all these riding around. Let's go down this way. Yep, so I need a little bit of a break from riding. I left the bike, it's on the main street down outside the hotel, because they didn't have any it's a massive hotel, but they don't have any car park, and yeah, everybody's parking outside, but that's okay as long as the bike is there. I can keep an eye on it, and it's pretty secure in there, so I'm sure nothing is gonna happen. So I booked this room only for this place for one night, but then I've changed my mind. I'm gonna stay here for one more night tomorrow night, and I'm gonna spend some time here tomorrow again, and then we'll head into the mountains and explore some more towns here in Gran Canaria. And yeah, so going up towards the northern part of Canary Island. I'm not really sure if I'll do that, because the weather is always awful. It's pretty cloudy, and you can't really enjoy the ride unless it's really hot. And then of course, you know, that's not the case. It's cold, and it's it's windy, and you know, you keep on you just want to get out of that place, so there's no point. So I won't be going up, even though it's just a matter of 1 hour ride. But I would rather go inland and not very much towards the north and explore, because there are beautiful places here. I mean, those small town villages, valleys, amazing places, so I really like them. Yeah, that's what the update is for now. Let's keep walking and listen to the silence and a little bit of car banging around, car doors. I really like these small terrace kind of houses. I'm sure these are rentables. So you will see what I'm talking about, going a little bit away from here. Look at the mountains in the backdrop and the thick, heavy clouds. I mean, some of those clouds, some of those mountain tops are covered in clouds. And by the look of it, it looks like it's definitely raining up there. And it's not very far. Imagine that, just a matter of, I don't think so, it's more than 10 miles away from here. So heading into those mountains, yes, it's a beautiful ride through the curvy road, but I also want to enjoy the weather, so I'll stick for now to the southern part of Gran Canaria. So look, that's a very interesting place. I've got a little here as well. That's a very nice place. But it's I think during the day is a bit more buzzing place. At this time it looks like pretty much everybody's gone back to their hotels. So the boys just parked right outside the hotel Ray Carlos. That's the main street. Is literally, I mean, I went straight, but if I could have gone from left, it's even closer to the place. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock, but the weather is so nice and pleasant. It's just amazing here. The walk along the beach and the sand dunes was absolutely amazing. Just came back, had a quick dinner, and now I'm just chilling out. So thank you very much everybody for coming along today. Look after yourself, and I'll see you in the morning. Peace.